I'm a Solari too.
It's him! Phantom Mech! That mystery mech that broke all the records! What? The Natural who drives a garbage truck? Orion? No way. Naturals never get past 60% sync. How's he piloting something that powerful?
So that's it? Just a natural who got lucky with a strong mech.
You're a pathetic little natural. That attack was your mech, not you. You're just dead weight in that cockpit. Got it?
It might be right. The Natural can't even hit 60% since. How long can he keep that mech going?
Yeah, maybe the bug leader just wasn't ready. Now that it knows what to expect, how do we win?
Orion! Don't be a hero! Get out of here! We'll handle it! No need to die here!
I'm a human too. When our existence is on the line, I won't step back. My sister.
Orion, sweetie, just leave. I can't lose you again.
Why did he have to be a natural? I'd rather he just leave than die here.
Enough! The Solari family's duty isn't for some worthless natural to carry. Just because you've got a few drops of Solari blood doesn't mean anything. You think throwing your life away will get you into this family? Not a chance!
Drake! Stop!
You a worthless natural. Think you can die for Solaris? You're only bringing shame to us! Get out of here! I never said I was fighting for Solari. I'm fighting for all humanity. And you? All you do is trash talk. You're not even worth my time.
You wanna die? I'll rip you to pieces, you worthless fuck!
A little toy like that? You think that hurts me? Pathetic.
Oh yeah? Impossible. Just killed the leader bug in one hit?
So it was him? The one who saved me from the Bug Vengers?
Who the hell are you? A natural can't have this kind of power. Unless... No way it's him!
It doesn't matter who I am. Just remember this. As long as I'm here, you bugs won't take a single step into human space. Now, take your bugs and get lost!
Ha! You think that's it?
Oh god, it's absorbing the whole swarm. It's rebuilding itself.
game. We have crossed voids you can't measure. I am the swarm. I am your fear. And your world will become dark!
Sir, medical assets are overwhelmed. Energy readings still climbing. Past the original max. 3 times! 5, 8! Its power has increased 10 times over!
No chance. Unless someone's as strong as the first Star Union chairman, nobody can stop this thing.
10 times? How are we supposed to fight that?
You're strong natural. You're the first to push me this far. But game over!
Run! Get out of here! You've done enough! Please, just go! Stay alive!
You sure?
Stopped its attack that easy?
No, impossible. A natural. How can you have this much power? Interesting. 1,000 years at the Hive Mother's side. I've chewed through entire civilizations. And you? First one who's caught me off guard. But even if you're strong, so what? Humanity is already finished. You want to fight for them, but are they even worth saving? And honestly, would humans ever accept you, inferior natural, as their hero?
It's trying to turn him against us! So it wants him to give up on us! Orion! We were so wrong about you! Please don't listen to it! Please don't listen to it!
You think their guilt is real? I'm telling the truth. They treated you like trash, like a worthless natural. They made fun of you. Isn't that the truth? Even your own parents, they abandoned you! You junk planet, ate leftover nutrient packs, wore discarded work clothes, you saved their daughter. And what did they do? They don't even want to admit you exist just because you're a natural, an inferior, a trash hauler.
That's not true.
And now, willing to die for them? Why? Humans abandoned you. Modifieds despise you. Your own blood is ashamed of you. So, why keep protecting them?
That's not true. Orion, I couldn't protect you back then. That's why you were out there all alone for so many years. I never stopped looking for you. Not for 1 second. Never. Orion, I'm sorry. You saved my life, but I still didn't recognize you, even though you have our mother's eyes.
This is all on me. I'm the one who decided to abandon you. I'm the one to blame. Orion, you can hate me. Hate Solaris. Hate every modified person who despises you. I'm not asking you to forgive me. I'm just begging you. Don't give up on all humanity because of my mistake. You're right. I'm a natural. I grew up on a junk planet, wore other people's old clothes, ate their leftovers. People looked down on me, pushed me around. I lived like dust. The old man who took me in, he said, humanity's biggest weaknesses are greed and fear. Modify genes, modify bodies, chase power. But forget who we are, forget where we started, forget to help each other. But humanity's greatest strength, maybe the only one, is that even in the darkest despair, someone will always rise. I've always been part of humanity, not because my last name is Solari, not because I can pilot a strong mech, but because I chose to stand here, on humanity's side. You can mock my genes, mock where I came from, but here's something you'll never understand. A person who has been abandoned, he can still choose not to abandon others.
Foolish! With your power, if you pledge to the Hive Mother, I could make you king of human. You brought this upon yourself! If you're so determined to protect these pathetic humans, then turn to dust with them! Humans, you should feel honored. Last time the Hive Mother showed up on a battlefield was the Blood Nebula. You got lucky that once. But this time, you won't. Your greatest hero, the first Star Union chairman, is gone. Without him, you're nothing but slaughtered lambs. All that awaits you is doom! No armies. She reads memories, awakens your deepest fears, and breaks you from within. Your civilization and willpower are nothing before it.
Get lost or die.
Get lost or die.
No! No way! He's gone! You can't be stronger than him!
아래를 클릭해서 구독하고 전체 버전을 시청하세요.